everyone, and welcome to these two Changan CS crossovers. Now, Changan may have been here in the Philippines for quite some time now, but they are now under new management. To be particular, they are now under an automotive giant, Inchcape. And right behind us are two of their latest crossovers of the CS line that we're gonna take a look at today. Hi, I'm Kyle Yong from Auto PH.
And I'm Nathan from Auto PH.
Let's check out these two cars now. Now let's start with Changan's subcompact crossover offering, the CS35 Plus. Let's explore this car from the exterior first. Over at the front, you have a very large grille that looks extremely modern. You even have a CS logo in red for an extra sporty touch. And the front lighting setup, which by the way is a split front lighting setup. This is very advanced too. Not only do you get LED DRLs, LED headlights located down below by your bumper, but you even have an LED light bar by the center just to give you extra visibility. If you also notice down below over here, you also get extra accents, and even though these accents are in red, matching the exterior body color, it still looks pretty good. Let's move on over towards the side of the CS35 Plus, and what you'll see here are 18-inch rims, and if you get this particular top-of-the-line Luxe variant, you even get a two-tone effect wherein your roof is painted in black. The modern sporty look continues even towards the rear of the CS35 Plus, and over here, not only do you get a spoiler, but for added sporty effect, you also get dual exhaust by the bottom. And just like the front, if you think getting a light bar is amazing in the front, well, you also have it here at the rear, just divided by the Changan logo. For extra safety and security, you not only also get reverse sensors, but you even get a reverse camera. For this top-of-the-line Luxe variant, it also comes with a power tailgate, and in here, what you get is about 400 liters of space, which makes this car extremely practical, and you can even expand that by folding down those rear seats 60/40. So what car is complete if it only looks sporty on the outside? It must have the interior to match, and that is true with the Changan CS35 Plus. Look inside the interior of this vehicle and you get not only sporty touches, but premium touches as well. Your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped, and it is also tilt and telescoping. You have a dashboard clad in premium soft touch materials. Over at the side of your doors, the same is true. And if you get this Luxe variant, you even get a two-tone black and red leather seats all around, not only for the front, but also for the rear. Over at the top for extra light, you also get a massive panoramic sunroof. Now for connectivity, you get a 7-inch digital instrument cluster as well as a 10-inch digital infotainment screen with smartphone mirroring. Other features you get here include faux brush aluminum trim, you get metallic touches and buttons all around, and you even get an electronic parking brake with auto hold, as well as a 360-degree digital video recorder, also known as a dash cam. Can Changan back up all those sporty aesthetics? Of course they can. What you have under the hood of the Changan CS35 Plus is a 1.4-liter turbocharged gasoline engine making 160 horsepower and 260 Newton meters of torque. Transmission-wise, you even get a 7-speed wet-type DCT, and just for an extra premium touch, if you look at your hood pad over here, you even get the Changan logo.
And now we move on to the bigger brother, the Changan CS55 Plus. So the first thing that actually grabs your attention is the hyper-aggressive front grille design, paired with the full LED front lighting system and the triple ring LED DRLs. So this is designed to provide more illumination on the road and have a really modern design so that people really look at this front fascia. Besides that, you have 19-inch alloy wheels to give this car a more handsome stance, as well as red accents all over the gray exterior. So in the Luxe, we get the power tailgate, but this is the hype variant. But either way, you have an abundance of space right here. So you can put all of the things you need here, whether it's a grocery run, whether you're traveling, going on a road trip, everything is fine. But if you need more space, you can put the rear seats down and just use it all, right? The moment you step into the cabin, you really do notice that this is the place to be. Firstly, visually speaking, you see the black and red accents all over that really add personality and really energy to this cabin. Besides that, of course, there's more to it than meets the eye. You have these very comfortable seats, sport seats actually, that keep you in place, as well as this motorsport-inspired steering wheel. Flat top, flat bottom, what more can you ask for actually? And then moving on, you have soft touch materials all over that really add elegance to this, as well as this faux brushed metal finish on some of the panels, and these buttons do really feel solid. Of course, adding modernity and technology to this interior is a 12.3-inch display right here with Apple CarPlay support, so that you can keep playing music on that Pioneer sound system. The sound's oh so good. As well as that, we have a 10-inch instrument cluster that shows you everything you need, from your speed, your fuel, and everything else, to keep you updated on all the essential information you need for your road trip. At the center, you have a floating console that really provides a lot of the storage space that you need in this interior. Up here, you have the e-shifter and some DVR functions, as well as the knob so that you can switch between your different drive modes. When you do this, the driving experience really does change, and you really do feel the difference. And finally, one of my favorite things that adds light to this interior is the panoramic sunroof right there. And since I finally touched a bit on the driving experience for this Changan CS55 Plus, let's look into its beating heart. So here you have the 1.5-liter turbocharged Blue Core gasoline engine, outputting 188 horsepower and 300 Newton meters of torque. So it's mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, keeping things smooth on the road.
Both these cars come with advanced driver assistance systems, making your everyday drives even safer and less tiring under the Changan SafeTech Safety Suite.
That includes automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control.
The Changan CS35 Plus starts at 1,109,000 pesos,
while the Changan CS55 Plus starts at 1,179,000 pesos.
That's it for today for these two cars, but do know that Changan Philippines has an even greater lineup. For more details on those vehicles as well as these two vehicles right here, please visit changan.ph as well as their socials. Once again, this has been Kyle Long from Auto PH.
And this has been Nathan Reyes from Auto PH.
And thank you for watching.